Hi everybody, I'm Matt. I'm Colton.
I'm Andrea.
And welcome to Design and Debacles. I wanted to start my podcast because I've always been really into design journalism and just researching and understanding why people do things the way they do them in the world of design. And so I was really inspired by podcasts like Clever, or 99% Invisible, or Design of Business. And so I wanted to do my best to sort of try and do the same thing they were doing and just interviewing people, talking about different topics, how it relates with design and things like that. This week, we're taking a break from our senior interviews, and we are going to talk about another really rad topic, disaster relief architecture. So disaster relief architecture isn't like building concrete bunkers when a hurricane's coming or things like that. It's the opposite, actually. It's more reactionary than anything else. So these are like shelters you see on beaches, or like just huts built up after hurricanes come through, or tsunamis or things like that.
My first thought when joining the podcast was Matt needed more people to do it with him, and I had plenty of time to do it, so I figured why not. Just getting together with Matt and Andrea. We're a fun group, and just it breaks up the week instead of doing schoolwork all the time.
It's not anything different than we would be doing usually, so this isn't too out of the ordinary. It's just we're recording it.
I balance out the podcast and the schoolwork mainly just by dedicating time for each one. So like Sundays are my editing days, Thursdays are my recording days. So I try to stick to that schedule the best I can, but sometimes school gets in the way of that, and sometimes the podcast gets in the way of the school stuff, but usually it balances out pretty good.
I don't have too heavy of a load when it comes to schoolwork, so it's pretty much when everyone else wants to record, I'm pretty much free to do it whenever.
I think the best part about the podcast is like the 5 minutes that nobody hears before like we're recording. It's just Colton and I kind of like goofing around, and then Matt telling us, oh yeah, we're recording. So it's usually those first 5 minutes.
I don't think I'd look good with the poems. I think I'd look too much like a secretary, and then people would think I'm visual.
Those like old school grandpa glasses.
Oh,
Really?
just gold.
If you're looking to start a passion project, I definitely say make sure you're willing to put in the hours to work on it.
If it's something you love, you want to put the time into it. And although school is important and work's important, the passion project is just as important, if not more.
If you're truly passionate about it, you'll find the time to make it.
Dedicate the same time to them as you do all other projects. All right, that'll do it for us this week, folks. Thanks for listening. I'm Matt.
I'm Colton.
I'm Andrea.
And we will see you next week.